Oil 3 to 4 cup. 4 green cardamom, 0.2 cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 4-5 cloves, 0.10 to 15 peppercorns, 2 medium onion. Cook until golden brown. Chicken 1 kilo. Cook until chicken changes color. Ginger, garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Two medium tomato puree. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Chilli Flakes, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon. Green chili paste, 1 tablespoon. Cook until oil separates. Water, 6 cups. Bring to a boil. Rice 3 cups. Rice washed and soaked for 40 minutes. Cook until water evaporates. Cover with aluminum foil and pot lid and cook for 10-15 minutes on low flame. Thanks for watching.